Now the next question, see here, so in exercise 1.1, the question is using division algorithm to show that any positive odd integer is in the form of 6q plus 1, 6q plus 3 and 6q plus 5, where q is some integer, So any positive odd integer is in the form of 6q plus 1, 6q plus 3 and 6q plus 5. Now see here, so in the solution, so according to Euclid division, a is equal to bq plus r. A is equal to bq plus r. Okay, so when I take b as 6, then a is equal to 6q plus r. Here divisor is 6. When the divisor is 6, then what are the reminders you get? The reminders you get is 0 to less than 6. 0 to less than 6 you get reminders. 0 to less than 6. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Total 6 reminders you will get when we divide with 6. When we divide with 6, total how many reminders you will get? Total 6 reminders you will get. That is 0, R1, R2, R3, R4, R5. Total 6 reminders, any one you will get. Okay? If you take remainder as a 6, then what are the reminders you will get? A is equal to 6q plus 0 you will get, or 6q plus 1 you will get, or otherwise 6q plus 2 you will get, or otherwise if the remainder is 3 then 6q plus 3, if the remainder is 4 then 6q plus 4, or 6q plus 5. Any one form you will get. A is equal to 6q plus 0 or 6q plus 1 or 6q plus 2 or 6q plus 3 or 6q plus 4 or 6q plus 5. Any one form you will get. Okay? When we divide with 6. Okay? Then 6q plus 0, it means that is 6q only. 6q only. Now take one by one. Now first you take a is equal to 6q. A is equal to 6q. A is equal to 6q. If a is equal to 6q, then how can we take a is equal to 6q? That is 2 into 3. 2 3s are 6q. 2 you can take as a common. So then 2 3s are 6. This is 2 multiple. 2 multiples are even numbers. This is even number. So this first one is over. About a is equal to 6q. Now a is equal to 6q plus 1. A is equal to 6q plus 1. Here in this we can take 2 as a common. 2 into 3q and this plus 1 as it is. Here plus 1 as a reminder here. We left 1 as a reminder. So it means this is odd number. Now after that, this a is equal to 6q plus 2. So now we should take a is equal to 6q plus 2. In both if you take 2 as a common, then 2 3s are 6. 3q plus 2 1s are 2. Now you will get 2 as a common in all. In all you will get 2 as a common means this is 2 multiple. When it is 2 multiples, then this is even number. This is even number. Now the next one. So a is equal to 6q plus 3. A is equal to 6q plus 3. Now, so 6q plus 3, how can we take 3? That is 2 plus 1 we can take. 2 plus 1 is 3. So 6q as it is, 3 means 2 plus 1. So till here we should take 2 as a common. 2 into 2 3s are 6. 3q plus 2 1s are 2. And this plus 1 as it is we should take. So this is still here 2 multiple and plus 1. 1 is a remainder. So if 1 is a remainder when dividing with 2, so then that is odd number. Odd number. This is odd number. Now next, we should take a is equal to 6q plus 4. A is equal to 6q plus 4. A is equal to 6q plus 4 means in all this we can take 2 as a common. Then take 2 as common. 2 3s are 6, 3q and 2 2s are 4. In all 2 is a common. So in all if 2 is a common, so this is 2 multiple. 2 multiples are even numbers. So here it is even number. Even. This is even number. Now after that take this one. 6q plus 5. A is equal to 6q plus 5. Then how can we take this 6q plus 5? 6q plus 5 means 4 plus 1. 4 plus 1 is 5. So till here 6q plus 4, 2 is a common. Now we take 2 as a common. 2 3s are 6, that is 3q plus 2 2s are 4. And here plus 1 is left. Plus 1 is left. This is 2 multiple, 2 into this, 2 multiple and plus 1. 1 is a remainder. When 1 is a remainder, this is odd number. Odd number. So the first one is even number, the second one is odd number, the third one is, first one is even number, second one is odd number, third one is even number, fourth one is odd number, fifth one is even number, and sixth one is odd numbers. So even number, odd numbers and circle. I want to circle. This is 6q plus 1, 6q plus 3, 6q plus 5. 6q plus 1, 6q plus 3, 6q plus 5 are odd integers. Odd integers. So 6q plus 1, 6q plus 3 and 6q plus 5 are odd integers. Odd integers. It means, so odd integers are in the form of 6q means odd integers are in the form of 6q plus 1, 6q plus 3 and 6q plus 5. So these are in the form of odd integers. Okay, odd integers are in the form of 6q plus 1, 6q plus 3, 6q plus 5. Okay, students. Now the next question, see here. So use division algorithm to show that the square of any positive integer is of the form 3p or 3p plus 1. 3p or 3p plus 1. In that form we have to prove. So see here, so according to this, first according to Euclid division lemma, so we know that a is equal to bq plus r. A is equal to bq plus r. A and b, here a and b are the positive integers. Positive integers. Now if I take a as it is, instead of this b, so I want to take 3. Here 3 is given. 3q plus r. 3q plus r. So when we divide with 3, so the remainders are from 0 to less than 3. 0 to less than 3. So then what are the remainders you will get when divided by 3? When divided by 3, the remainders are 0, 1, 2. These 3 remainders you will get. So what are the remainders? 0, 1, 2. So it means the remainders are 0, 1, 2. So when the remainder is 0, then what is our a? A is equal to 3q plus 0 you will get, or otherwise a is equal to 3q plus 1 you will get, or otherwise a is equal to 3q plus 2. So in these 3 remainders, any one remainder you can get. So what are the remainders? 0, 1, 2. So why? When we divide with 3, so divided by 3 means when the divisor is 3, then we will get 3 remainders. That is 0, 1, 2. It means less than or equal to 0, less than 3. It means from 0 to 2. Less than 3 means till 2. So 0, 1, 2. So these 3 reminders you get. Then after that, so what he is asking, according to the question, squares, here squares given. So what is given? Squares. Squares of any positive number. Squares means first we should take a square. A is equal to 3 cube. A is equal to 3 cube. A is equal to 3 cube. See here, A is equal to 3 cube. Squares means we should square on both the side. That is, A square is equal to squaring on both the side. Squaring on both the side. Yes, you know, that is squaring on both the side. That is, A square is equal to 3 cube whole square. 3 cube whole square. So that is A square is equal to 3 cube whole square means that is 3 square and q square. That is A square is equal to 3 square 9 and q square 9q square. Then A square is equal to 9q square. How to take? 3 into 3. If you take 3 as a common, 3 3s are 9. 9q square. So then this is 3 multiple. So that 3 multiple you consider as p. So that is this completely considered as 3 multiple. 3 multiple you consider as p. So that is A square is equal to 3p. The square is in the form of 3p. Okay. The next one, A is equal to 3p is over. Now A is equal to 3p plus 3q plus 1 we should take. A is equal to 3q plus 1. 3q plus 1. Now again here also squaring on both the side. Squaring on both the side. If you square on both the side, then A square is equal to 3q plus 1 whole square. 3q plus 1 whole square. Now A square as it is 3q plus 1 whole square. It is in the form of A plus B whole square. A plus B whole square formula. A square plus 2A. A is 3q, B is 1 plus B square. A plus B whole square. A square, that is 3q whole square plus 2. A is 3q and B is 1. 2ab plus B square means 1 square. That is 3q whole square is 3 square and q square. And after that 2 3s are 6, 6q 1s are 6q. And 1 square is 1. 3 square is 9 and q square plus 6q plus 1. And till here, so you will get 3 as a common. Take 3 as a common. 3 3s are 9 means 3q square and 3 2s are 6 and 2q. And this plus 1 as it is. So this complete here till here. So 3 multiple. So that 3 multiple you consider as q. This 3 multiple you consider as q. This is p. Here we have. So this 3 multiple. 3 into something means this is 3 multiple. That 3 multiple you should take as p. 3p. And this plus 1 as it is. It is in the form of 3p plus 1. A square is equal to 3p plus 1. Again. This is over. Now we should take A is equal to 3q plus 2. A is equal to 3q plus 2. 3q plus 2. Again squaring on both the sides. Squaring on both the sides. That is A square is equal to 3q plus 2 whole square. Now A square same. This is in the form of A plus B whole square. A plus B whole square, that is A square, that is 3q whole square plus 2. A is 3q and B is 2. A square plus 2ab plus B square is 2 square. Now after that, a square is equal to 3q whole square means 3 square and q square plus, after that 2 3 is 6, 6 2 is 12, 12q, 12q plus 2 square is 4. Now after that, a square is equal to 3 square means 9, 9q square, 12q, and how can we take 4? So we can take 4 as 3 plus 1. 3 plus 1 is 4. 3 plus 1 is 4. So till 3, from 9q square plus 12q plus 3. So what is common? 3 is common. So 9q square plus 12q plus 3. From here to here 3 is common. Now you take 3 common. A square is equal to 3 common. If 3 is common, 3 3s are 9. That is 3q square. And 3 4s are 12. 4q. And 3 1s are 3. And this plus 1 as it is. From 3, so this is 3 multiple. 3 into something. That means this is complete 3 multiple. That is 3q square plus 4q plus 1. 3 multiple you consider as p. That is 3p plus 1. Here also you get 3p plus 1. So here a square is in the form of 3p, a square is in the form of 3p plus 1, a square is in the form of 3p plus 1. What he is asking, any positive integer is in the form of 3p, 3p plus 1. Positive integer is in the form of 3p or 3p plus 1. 3p or 3p plus 1. So square of any positive, square of any positive integer is always in the form of 3p or 3p plus 1. Okay, square is in the form of 3p or in the form of 3p plus 1. In the form of 3p plus 1. Okay, students. Now, the next question, see here. So, use division algorithm to show that the cubes of any positive integers, so of a form 9m, 9m plus 1 and 9m plus 8. Cubes are in the form of 9m, 9m plus 1 and 9m plus 8. See here, solution. First, according to Euclid division lemma, A is equal to BQ plus R. BQ plus R. A is equal to BQ plus R. So if I take A as A and instead of this B, so if I take 9, that is 9Q plus R. When we divide with 9, then how many remainders you will get? 9 remainders you will get. So what are the remainders you will get? That is from 0. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This total 9 remainders you will get. The remainders are, when we divide with 9, the remainders are from 0. 0 is less than or equal to R is less than 9. Less than 9 means till 8. Till 8 you will get remainders. From 0 to 8, total 9 remainders you will get when we divide with 9. When we divide with 9, any positive number, so when we divide with 9, how many remainders you will get? You will get 9 remainders. How many? 9 remainders you will get. So then how the statement will come? A is equal to, so 9q plus. If the remainder is 0, then 9q plus 0. That is 9q. The first statement is in the form of 9q. Or if the remainder is 1, then what is the statement? A is equal to 9q plus 1. Or if the remainder is 2, then what is the statement? A is equal to 9q plus 2. If the remainder is 3, then what is the statement? A is equal to 9q plus 3. Or if the remainder is 4, then the statement is A is equal to 9q plus 4. Or if the remainder is 5, then your statement is A is equal to 9 cube plus 5, or if the remainder is 6, then statement is A is equal to 9 cube plus 6, or if the remainder is 7, your statement is A is equal to 9 cube plus 7, or if the remainder is 8, your statement is A is equal to 9 cube plus 8. So in this form you will get total 9 statements. Why? So when we divide with 9, so you will get 9 remainders, that is from 0 to 8. So when remainder is 0, then 9 cube. 9 cube plus 0, that is 9 cube. When the remainder is 1, then 9 cube plus 1. When the remainder is 2, 9 cube plus 2. When the remainder is 3, 9 cube plus 3. When the remainder is 4, then 9 cube plus 4. When the remainder is 5, then 9 cube plus 5. When the remainder is 6, then 9 cube plus 6. When the remainder is 7, then 9 cube plus 7. When the remainder is 8, 9 cube plus 8. Total how many? 1. Here, starts from here. 9 cube. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we are getting 9 remainders, so 9 statement you will get. So this is about Euclid lemma, Euclid division. Then after that, what he is asking? Using division algorithm. So using Euclid division algorithm. So the cubes, he is asking cubes. Cubes of any positive integer. So in the form of 9m, 9m plus 1, 9m plus 8. Okay, in this form we should proof. So no need to check all this. So 3 or 4 you should do, the remaining so you will get automatically. So see here how to do first one. That is A is equal to 9 cube. First you should take first one. A is equal to 9 cube. 9 cube. A is equal to 9 cube. What is asking cube? So it means cube on both the side. Cube on both the side. That implies. So if you cube on both the side, then what you get? A cube is equal to. So otherwise you do like this. It is enough. So then a cube is equal to 9 cube whole cube. So then 9 cube whole cube. So a cube is equal to 9 cube whole cube. That implies a cube is equal to 9 cube means 9 9s are 27, 27 9s are 27 9s are 27 9s are 9 6 is 9 2s are 18, 243 cube cube 243 cube cube. So that is, if you a cube 243 is divided by 9. If you take 9 as a common, then 9 27s are 243 cube cube. So then a cube is equal to 9 into, this is complete 9 multiple. So that 9 multiple you consider as m. So it is in the form of 9m. The cube is in the form of 9m. The first one is over. Okay. Now the second one. Now the second statement. What is the second statement here? 9 cube plus 1. This statement we should take. So A is equal to 9 cube plus 1. 9 cube plus 1. Then after that, what we should do? So he is asking cube. It means cube on both the side. Cube on both the side. That is, a cube is equal to 9 cube plus 1 whole cube. 9 cube plus 1 whole cube. It is in the form of a plus b whole cube. A plus b whole cube. A plus b whole cube formula: a cube, 9 cube whole cube, a cube plus 2 a square b, 2a square, 2a means 9 cube, 2a square b plus, not 2a square b, 3a square b plus 3ab square, 3a means 9 cube, and b plus b cube, b means 1 cube. According to a plus b whole cube, a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square, 3ab square plus b cube. So this is a plus b whole cube expansion. Now after that, from here to here, here 9 cube, 1 9 cube is common, 1 9 cube is common, 9 is common, 1 9 is common, and 1 9 is common. So till here to here we can take 9 as a common. So take 9 as a common. If you take 9 as a common, here 3 9s are there, 1 9 will get common. It means 1 9 is left. 9 square and q plus here 2 9 q squares are there. 3 into 1 9 will get common, 1 9 left, and q square. 1s are q square. No need to take that one. So if you multiply with 1, the same thing you will get. Okay. Here 9 is common. So 9 we are getting common. Then 3 cube. No need to take 1 square. 1 square is 1. Then plus 1 cube is 1. 9. So till here all these are multiples of 9. 9 into m. So that 9 into till here we should take m. 9m plus and this one as it is. A cube is in the form of 9m plus 1. 9m plus 1. So a cube is equal to 9m plus 1. In the first case a cube is equal to 9m. So in the second case a cube is equal to 9m plus 1. In third statement this one 9 cube plus 2. So now you take a is equal to 9 cube plus 2. So then how to take 9 cube plus 2? That is a cube on both the side. So 9 cube plus 2 whole cube. Now a cube, it is a plus b whole cube. A plus b whole cube formula, a cube, that is 9 cube whole cube, a cube plus 3 a square. A square means 9 cube whole square, and b means 2 3a square b plus 3 a means 9 cube, b means 2 b square plus b cube. B cube means 2 cube. A cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Now, so till here, so from here to here, so we will get 9 as a common. So take 9 as a common. Here 3 9s are there, 2 9s will get common means 9 2s left. 9 square and q square plus 1 9 will get common means 3 as it is. 1 9 will left and q square as it is. And 2 plus 1 9 will get common means 3 into 9. 2 square means 4. And after that 2 cube means 8. So from here to here all these are 9 multiples. 9 into something means 9 multiple. So that 9 multiple we consider as m. 9m. And this plus 8 as it is. A cube. A cube is equal to 9m plus 8. A cube is equal to 9m plus 8. Here a cube is equal to 9m. A cube is equal to 9m plus 1. A cube is equal to 9m plus 8. So 9m, 9m plus 1, 9m plus 8. It means, so all the cubes are in the form of 9m or 9m plus 1 or 9m plus 8. So we did till the third. 1, 2, 3. Till here we did. So not from here. So from 9 cube plus 1, 9 cube plus 2. These 3 we did. So again we did all these 6 also. So we will get the same statements. That is a cube is equal to 9m, a cube is equal to 9m plus 1, and a cube is equal to 9m plus 8. It means, so cubes are always in the form of 9m, 9m plus 1 or 9m plus 8. That conclusion step we should write. So we should complete remaining 6. The remaining 6 we should apply a plus b whole cube formula. In that again you should take 9 as a common. Then 9 multiple you should take m. So 9 into m plus 0 plus 1 plus 8. Any one thing you will get. So it means the cubes are always in the form of 9m or 9m plus 1 or 9m plus 8. So till here we did 3 now. So more 3 I will show you. So after this, okay. Now the fourth one, see here, a is equal to 9 cube plus 3. That we have to take. A is equal to 9 cube plus 3. So it means after that cube on both the side. Then a cube is equal to 9 cube plus 3 whole cube. 9 cube plus 3 whole cube. It is in the form of a plus b whole cube. A plus b whole cube, how to take a plus b whole cube? That is a cube. A cube means 9 cube whole cube. A cube plus 3 a square. A square means 9 cube whole square, and b means 3. After that 3 a b square means 3 square, and after that b cube, that is 3 cube. A cube plus 3 a square b plus 3 a b square plus b cube. So now here, so 9 cube whole cube, same 3 into 9 cube whole square into 3, same 3 into 9 cube and 3 square, same, and here 3 square, 3 cube, 3 3 is a 9, 9 3 is a 27, means 9 into 3 we can take, 9 3 is a 27, 3 3 is a 9, 9 3 is a 27, 27 means 9 into 3 we can write. Then in all this 9 is common, take 9 as a common. If 9 as a common, so then you get here 9 cube, means 9 square left, 1 9 is get common. So here 2 9s are there, 1 9 is common, means 1 9 left, 9 cube square and 3 plus 1 9 is there, that 9 is common, means 9 cube and 3 square, and this 9 is common, means 3 left. Until here to here all are multiples of 9, means we can take 9m. Then a cube in the form of 9m. A cube is in the form of 9m. Now, so we should take 9 cube plus 4. A is equal to, so 9 cube plus 4. Now cube on both the side, that is a cube plus 9 cube plus 4 whole cube. Now here cube on both the side, so cube we did both the side. A cube is equal to 9 cube plus 4 whole cube. Then a plus b whole cube formula, a cube plus 3 a square means 9, a square 9 cube whole square into 4 plus 3 a means 9 cube and b means 4 plus b 4 square plus 4 cube. A cube plus 3 a square b plus 3 a b square plus b cube. Now here 9 cube whole cube, same 3 into 9 cubes whole square and 4 plus 3 into 9 cube and 4 square, and here 4 cube. What is 4 cube? 4 4 is 16, 16 4 is 64, 16 4 is 64, 16 4 is 64. Okay. Now here, so how to take 9 cube whole cube plus 3 into 9 cube whole square plus into 4 plus 3 into 9 cube into 4 square and 64. 64, then how to take 64? So that we have to think and we have to write 64 means 8. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8. 8. Now here 64, then how can we take 64? That is 63 plus 1. So we can take 63 plus 1, that is 64. So now, so 9 cube whole cube plus 3 into 9 cube square into 4 plus 3 into 9 cube into 4 square plus 63. How can we take 63? 9 sevens are 63 and plus 1. So till from here to here, so we have 9 as a common. Here 1 9 is there, here 9 is there, here 9 is there, and here 9 is there. So take 9 as a common. So 9 as a common. Here 3 9s are there, 1 9 common means 9 square and cube. Then after that 9 is common, 3 into 1 9 is left, 9 cube and 4. Here 9 is common, 3 cube and 4 is left. Here 9 is common, 7 is left plus 1. Then from here to 9m, this plus 1. Then a cube is in the form of 9m plus 1. A cube is in the form of 9m plus 1. So first one, a cube is in the form of 9m, a cube is in the form of 9m plus 1. So in the next one, if we go for a is equal to 9 cube plus 5, then you will get in the form of 9m plus 8. So that you will get. So then after that we will go for that also. So whatever the cube forms are there, the cube forms are in the form of 9m, 9m plus 1 and 9m plus 8. So till the third term we will get 9 as a common, but in the last term we should think how should we divide. So that should come as a 9 factors, like 63, 9 7 are 63. In that way we should split and we should take 9 common. That we should think. So here 64 comes means how to take 9 as a common in that you think. So like 63 plus 1. When it is 63, then it means here you will get 9 7s are. 9 7s are, it means 9 will get common and this plus 1 is left. So you think that it is in the form of 9m plus 1. So in the form first we convert and we prove whatever the cube forms are there. So that is in the form of 9m or 9m plus 1 or 9m plus 8. Next we go for 9m 6, 9 cube plus 5. Okay. So where from here? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now the sixth one. So we are going to do sixth one. That is 9 cube plus 5. 9 cube plus 5. The next one is a is equal to 9 cube plus 5. Okay, till 4 we did. 4 cube, 4 4 16, 16 4 64. Till here we did. So now we move 9 cube plus 5. Then cube on both the side. So how to take? That is a cube is equal to, so 9 cube plus 5 whole cube. So 9 cube plus 5 whole cube. So then a plus b whole cube expansion. A plus b whole cube formula, a cube plus 2a square, 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. So now that is a cube is equal to, this is our a and this is our b. A plus b whole cube. A plus b whole cube formula, a cube, that is 9 cube whole cube plus 3a square b plus 3a b square plus b cube. Okay, a cube means 9 cube whole cube plus 3 a square, a means 9 cube whole square plus into b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Now you keep till here the same and 5 cube is split. So 9 cube whole cube same plus 3 into 9 cube whole square into 5 plus 3 into 9 cube into 5 square and 5 cube. 5 5s are 25. 25 5s are 125. 125. Now 9 cube whole cube same, 9 cube whole cube plus 3 into 9 cube whole square into 5 plus 3 into 9 cube into 5 square plus 125. We should split. We should split 125. Then how to split? So 115 plus 8. How much? 115 plus 8, not 118, 17. 117 plus 8. We should take 117 plus 8. So 117 plus 8, that is 125. So in this way we have to split 117 plus 8, that is 125. Okay. Now 9 cube whole cube plus 3 into 9 cube whole square into 5 plus 3 into 9 cube into 5 square and 117. How to take in 9 table? So 9 13s are 9 13s are 9 13s are 117. 9 13s are 117 or 13 7s are 9. Plus 8 as it is. Plus 8 as it is. Now, so from here to here we have 9 common. Here 9 is there. Here in second term 9 is there. In third term 9 is there. And fourth term 9 is there. It means we should take 9 as a common. So take 9 as common. If you take 9 as common, here 3 9s are there. If you take 1 9 means 9 square left and cube plus 3. Here 2 9s are there. 1 9 will get common, 1 9 will left. 9q into 5 plus. Here only 1 9 is there, that 9 will get common means 3 into q and 5 square left. Here 1 9 is there, that is common means 13 left and plus 8. From here to here that is 9 multiple. So then 9 multiple we can take it as m. 9 into m plus this 8. So a cube is in the form of 9m plus 8. 9m plus 8. A cube is in the form of 9m plus 8. Till here we did. So this similarly we can do this. Okay. Similarly 9 cube plus 6, 9 cube plus 7 and 9 cube plus 8. So you should do and show. So that is in the form of 9m, 9m plus 1, 9m plus 8. And the conclusion step, so the cubes of any positive integer, any positive integer is in the form of 9m or 9m plus 1 or 9m plus 8. 9m plus 8. They are in the form of 9m or 9m plus 1 or 9m plus 8. Okay.